Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart guys. So what we'll be doing, it should cover the whole generation from year 2013 to year 2016 guys. We'll show you where to find guys the fuse for the rear view camera, park assist, this is also for the compass and the blind spots guys. If you have blind spot detectors, all these guys, okay, all these four things will be under one fuse. And it will be only a 10 amp fuse, and we'll explain guys where to locate it. Now, if your rear view mirror doesn't work, if you have park assist doesn't work, if your compass doesn't work guys, check out that fuse. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this generation Dodge Dart guys, and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you want to save even more money guys on tools, parts or fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get car parts, tools and fuses for a super good price and fast shipping as well. Now, that fuse guys, it's a little bit hard to get to, and we'll explain why. You actually have 3 fuse boxes in your Dodge Dart guys. One is under the hood, which is super easy to work on, but the other 2 are a little bit hidden. So let me show you quick where they're located, and then we'll show you guys, okay, where that fuse is located as well. Now, the second fuse box is the one for the body control module. I have that cover here removed. Okay, check it out. You don't have to remove it, okay, for the fuse that we're replacing today. But in our case, guys, I want to show you, this is the other fuse box right there. And the fuse is not there, guys. It's actually hidden. Okay, we need to go underneath, guys. Okay, underneath. So let me go upside down. This is the brake pedal here. Okay, and if you guys look at it, okay, right here, you have fuses. Okay, these fuses guys are the ones that we need to, okay, the one that we need to discuss today. So what I did, I pushed that thing up. Okay, it comes out of the slots, and you don't have to do any of that. You can replace the fuse from being underneath. But actually guys, what I did, I'm going to bring it right here so I can show you, okay, where that fuse is located now. So if I hold it through here, this is guys the fuse box. Now, the fuse guys, okay, that we need to check out, okay, it's 10 amp fuse, as I said before. 10 amp fuse guys, it's the third fuse on the left side from top to bottom. Very left side, okay, and you go 1, 2, 3. This is guys the fuse right here. This fuse is the one for the rear view camera. This is for the park assist, this is for the compass, and for the blind spot detectors if you have those. So I'll get a fuse puller and I'll go ahead and grab it guys. Okay, grab it, pull it out. This is the fuse now. Okay, right there. Now, if you guys need to purchase, okay, new fuses, check out guys, you can get that fuse box for incredibly good price guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below, and you just grab a 10 amp fuse guys, and we're going to install it. So let me show you how we will install that thing now. All we have to do, grab the fuse, okay, and push it in. Okay, perfect, just like that. So this fuse guys, okay, right here, this is the fuse for, as I said, rear view camera, compass guys, and if you have blind spot detectors as well, and if you have park assist. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.